Hey everybody, this is a video about how to identify and consume daylily as food. This is daylily that I planted last fall, and now we're in early summer. And so you can see there's these things, it kind of looks like red okra, but you can pick the buds that haven't opened up yet and cook them as a vegetable. They're very popular in Japan. The way you can tell daylilies from normal lilies is these kind of grassy like leaves, and then the flower stalk on the daylily doesn't have leaves that are growing up the whole flowering stalk. Here you can see a different type of lily that has the leaves across the whole stem, which is not what you want to eat. Yeah, really beautiful plant to have as just an ornamental in your landscape, but then why not also eat the flowers, and it'll produce more, so you don't have to worry about like not getting any flowers. And also just don't harvest all of the buds. Never actually eaten it before, so we're gonna go inside and try it out. So I picked this small bud up and brought it into my kitchen. Okay, so I cooked up one of the small flowering buds, and I'm in my kitchen, I'm moving, so I don't really have anything to cook with besides just this one pan. So this is just no oil, no salt, and we're gonna try it out and see what it tastes like. That's good, very tender, kind of crunchy. Probably could cook it for longer if I wanted to. Believe it or not, kind of just tastes like asparagus, just like a lot of these perennial vegetables. Really nice though. I could definitely, imagine if you had a lot of those daylilies outside just as part of your garden, and you wanted to just go out and pick a few buds from each plant in the morning, throw them in your eggs, or cook them with your dinner at night. That seems like a really good way to eat off the landscape in a perennial way. And who says that like your perennial vegetable garden doesn't have to also be beautiful, because those flowers were knockout. So yeah, I definitely recommend people grow all sorts of different types of perennial vegetables, and check out daylily. It's really popular in China and other parts of Asia. But I haven't heard of anyone eating daylilies here in the US, so maybe we can start. Okay, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be doing lots of more videos on perennial vegetables and interesting fruits and agroforestry and climate change in the coming years. So stay up to date and stay tuned. All right, talk to you later.